Hello guys, and welcome back to the Oldub channel. Now today's video I'm going to show you how to ceramic coat your wheels with the Autofinesse Caramic wheel protection kit using some Mustang wheels I have here in front of me. Roll the intro. So I've got a friend's Mustang wheels here behind me, and they've all just been powder coated in a silver powder coat from a company called SW Alloys in Norwich. Definitely recommend them if you are in the market for having your wheels done in the Norwich area. Now, first up, we are going to wash the wheels. Once the wheels are washed, we will then get on with starting the ceramic process. So then, now the wheels are all washed and dry, we've now got a firm basis to start getting our wheels protected. So let's go ahead and open this pack. That's going well. Let's see what we have inside. So we have got the prep spray. We'll use that to make sure the wheel is absolutely 100% clean before we put the coating on. And the wheel coating spray itself with the pad or the cloth used to apply. We've also got some instructions. So let's go through the instructions. Step by step, ensure the wheels are thoroughly clean, completely dry and out of direct sunlight. Treat each wheel individually, starting with prep spray. Spray directly onto the surface and wipe dry. Step 3. Apply a liberal mist of wheel sealant spray over the wheel and working with a supplied micro wipe applicator. Step 4. Use a fresh microfiber towel and a light source to carry out a final buff and ensure all residue is removed. Repeat accordingly on the next of your wheel. Ensure your vehicle is not exposed to elements for at least 6 hours. So, it comes with a really good step-by-step guide of how to actually do this yourself at home. And also in the box, got a pair of black detailing gloves, just to make sure you don't get these chemicals in your hands. Will they fit? Yeah, they do. My big hands, not normally do I find a pair of gloves that fit. Now you look the part. So, let's start off with step 1. It's probably a systematic way of doing this, but I'm just going to spray the prep all over, make sure it's 100% contaminant, grease free. So this is step 1. Get the wheel nice and clean. Obviously I know we've just washed the wheels, but there could be some grease and other contamination that's not on there that you can physically see with the human eye. So this just ensures a clean surface to make sure the coating sticks. Like I say, these have just been freshly powder coated by SW Alloys in Norwich, and they look really good. Really good. Just to make sure it's completely dry as well before we apply the coating. Obviously when we apply the coating, we'll do that systematically, and obviously make sure that we get correct coverage over the wheel, because that is vital. So let's just move some of these out of the way. Do the back side, because obviously we don't want to forget that. Same again, good spray round. Give it a good rubbing in. Get it completely free of contamination. So, that is step 1, Romeo, done. I'm going to get one of the applicator towels. Now, so if we fold it up, like so, you could always get a block as well, but obviously on wheels it's a bit more intricate. What I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the coating on the cloth. Good douse on there, and what we're going to do is just systematically apply the coating on the wheel, making sure we get good coverage of all parts of the wheel. Making sure that every now and again you give your little pad of prime of the coating. You probably can't see it on camera, but you can actually see the coating on the wheel. You can see that you're actually applying where you need to apply it to. Now this is going to offer some really good protection of the wheel during winter months, which is coming up. Doesn't actually say on here how long it will protect it for, but I can always edit that over the top. I haven't done the research. I feel like it's something like a year coating, but don't quote me on it. I'm going to do all the faces in a minute. Make sure they get good coverage too. Now I don't know what your guys' opinions are. Now this is a bit more of a laid back tutorial on the channel. Just let the camera roll so you can see everything and not make it so regimented or like, I don't know what the word is. This is just a bit more realistic, a bit more up and personal. Slow time. Making sure we get in all the areas of the wheel, faces. Get the prancing horse, or the Mustang rather. Get inside where them lug nuts are and leave that to sit, and then go over to step 3. So now we've allowed time for that to cure, we can make a start on buffing off the product. The towel doesn't look clean, but it is a freshly washed microfiber. Now if you don't know how to wash your microfibers properly, and you don't know that there's a proper way to do it, check out the video that we made on that topic. I will put a card on the top of the screen and you can click on that and learn all about how to wash your microfibers. Obviously you repeat this process, it goes without saying, on all the wheels, and not only is it going to protect them over the winter, it's going to make them look even nicer, make them pop, and that's what we like. So this actual friend of mine, which obviously had these powder coated silver, but they have just had the other set of their wheels done in a gloss black as well, but we didn't actually ceramic coat them, which we probably should have done, but never mind. I actually think, probably an unpopular opinion, I prefer the silver on the red car. I opposed to the black. But generally speaking, I'm not a fan of black wheels. Well, gloss black. No matter how hard you try, I feel like you always get swells and they always look dirty. Not forgetting the rear, give that a good buff off. Yeah, these are looking really nice. Looking really good. Mark's going to be pleased when he gets these. I wonder which ones he'll keep as the winter wheels and which ones as the summer. Mind you, he's not that sort of person. He has another set of wheels just for his car, just because he rotates the tyres around when he's been doing burnouts and stuff. So that is that. So, as well as protecting the wheels for winter, as you can see, the Caramic kit also makes that powder coat pop. Now, that is the end of this video. Now, if you've enjoyed this content, please hit the like button, drop a subscribe, share the video with your friends, and just share the love on the channel.